passenger queue, literally a minute away. For some reason it went towards us, and now it's going this way. It doesn't make much sense. We're off to Stratford, because why not? We could have gone to Poplar, but I can't close. Poplar is just over there. High train. Stratford had lots of lines.
What?
Stratford had lots of lines. Central, Jubilee, Elizabeth.
Let me get that. Elizabeth.
What? Elizabeth back to Farringdon?
Farringdon?
Well, for me. I don't know what I should do at the Olympic Park.
Why are we waiting at the station?
I don't know. We seem to have stopped, but the doors are closed. Doesn't make much sense.
Nothing makes much sense.
On the DLR. That's quote of the day, nothing makes much sense on the DLR. Where's that going to? That's going to Bank. Bank. The most complicated line, the most complicated station. Okay, I'm gonna pause this while we get an announcement. Going back on the move. Had to walk to Poplar, we'd end up here. It was a nice tunnel. Well, more like a bridge than a tunnel. Whatever.
Not a tunnel, though.
Okay, a bridge. Whatever. Okay, it's very bad quality because the doors. The doors are very bad. Look at that. Poplar Tower Hamlets College. What?
Maybe hold it higher up.
That's what that's happened.